Dreaming of a career at sea? Here is your complete step-by-step guide on how to apply for Disney Cruise Line in 2026. Disney isn't just a world-class vacation destination. It's ranked as the #1 family cruise line, offering incredible opportunities for crew members worldwide. With 10 distinct job categories ranging from engineering and medical to entertainment and guest services, there is a perfect role for every professional. Before you start your journey, ensure you have your passport, required certifications, and a clean medical record ready for the application process. The application is a 10-step digital process, from creating your profile on the Disney Careers site to your final video interview and contract signing. To stand out, highlight your hospitality experience and passion for guest service. Our top pro tips will help your application shine. Your career at sea starts now. Don't forget to subscribe to Maritime TV for more industry guides.